Right, I've just had a package from carmats.co.uk. I ordered these from them because at the time I ordered the car, MG didn't have mats in stock. Now I'm just going to show you something. Right, now carmats.co.uk say that they will supply mats to fit your car as per the OEM mounts. And as you can see, there are two toggles screwed through the carpet into the floor here. Right, well I went for a red rolled edge to match the car. And actually, just look at that. They are really nice. They do have the correct mountings in them. That's really quite nice, isn't it? We've got two front mats and two rear mats. And they make them to order in the UK, which is also quite nice. That's the passenger's mat. So, let's get those in the car. I'll tell you what, this underneath surface here really grips the carpets in the car. You can see all this lint that's stuck to it, but it really grips the interior of the car very, very well. Can't tell whether this is the left or the right one for the rear. It is the left one. They fit really nicely, actually. Yeah, you need the big gap on the mat is on the outer edge of the car. So they fit in very well and they're very grippy, they won't slide around on the floor. And of course the driver's one has the two toggles to keep it in place. Let's get that fitted and then we're done. So as you can see, this mat here fits up to the pedals, but it doesn't go under them, so it doesn't get in the way, and it doesn't mess up the footrest either on the left there. And I don't know if you can see this, but it is a perfect fit on the two mounting points here. Absolutely perfect fit. There we go. Spot on, made to measure. Perfect fit mats. How nice is that?